To craft a decorative macrame wall hanging, you'll need a few supplies and some patience. Here's a quick guide to get you started in 90 seconds. Gather supplies. You'll need macrame cord, cotton or nylon, a wooden dowel or metal ring for hanging, scissors, and a tape measure. Prepare your workspace. Find a clean, well-lit area with enough space to work comfortably. Consider laying down a protective covering to catch any falling fibers. Cut your cord. Measure and cut several lengths of cord, depending on the size and complexity of your design. Longer cords will result in larger knots and more intricate patterns. Attach cord to dowel or ring. Fold each cord in half and loop it over the dowel or ring. Pull the ends through the loop to create a lark's head knot. Repeat until all cords are attached, evenly spaced across the dowel or ring. Start knotting. Choose a knotting technique to begin your design. The most basic knot is the square knot, created by overlapping two adjacent cords and tying them in a simple knot. Experiment with different knots and combinations to achieve your desired pattern. Build your design. Continue knotting, alternating between different techniques, and incorporating additional cords as needed. Pay attention to tension and spacing to ensure a uniform appearance. Add embellishments. Get creative by adding beads, feathers, or other decorative elements to your design. Incorporate them directly into your knots or attach them separately with smaller pieces of cord. Finish and hang. Once you're satisfied with your design, trim any excess cord and secure the ends with a knot or a dab of glue. Allow it to dry completely before hanging it on your wall. Hang and enjoy. Find the perfect spot to display your handmade macrame wall hanging and admire your handiwork for years to come. With a bit of practice and experimentation, you can create beautiful macrame wall hangings to decorate your home or give as thoughtful gifts to friends and family.